So for my breakfast today, I took a blender jar and then I put in the rye bread and some mushrooms, followed by an egg. And that was it. I closed the lid and then I decided to blend this up. There came a nice batter. And now I'm gonna coat the muffin tin. And then that's ready now to put in the batter and even it out. And I'm gonna microwave this for 2 minutes. So there it went, starting the microwave. Now it's done, taking it out and testing it with a knife to see, wow, that's well done. And as I was doing this, I was thinking, should I eat it just like that? I do need some fiber. So I was trying to take it out, and yeah, now it's out. And then what did I do? Just flipped it. Then I decided to put in some fiber and protein. So there goes the lettuce, followed by it comes the chickpeas for some protein. And that was it. My breakfast was ready and the meaty mushroom was delicious. I think you should try it. And I must tell you, the mushroom was pre-cooked with some spices in it like pepper and garlic, and then the chickpeas were also pre-cooked with spices.